Hey everyone, this is Trucker. I'll be your color commentary tour guide through this video. For 3 years running, the MDP has been showing up from all points around the US to Sturgis, South Dakota for the annual motorcycle rally. This rally's been going for 77 years. The individuals that go to this spend a great deal of time, money, and effort preparing their vehicles and themselves mentally for this adventure. And no matter how well you think you prepare, you never know what's going to come up. Keith there on the bike, you'll see the picture here, had a leaf spring break on his trailer less than 100 miles from his house. But even with all the trials and turmoil involved with actually finally getting to the event, it's all well worth it. Because once you finally get to Sturgis, well, it's time to cut loose. And that we do. Great seeing friends that are spread out all across the nation in one location where we get to experience so much together. And right now we're going to share some of those experiences. First off, the Devil's Bathtub. This is a pretty awesome little watering hole. About a 2-mile hike back into the cut. Cross back and forth across the stream.
Almost.
Hoping people eat shit. But it's got a pretty good payoff when you get out here. No telling what the water level is going to be year to year. Almost got him with the poop. This year the water level was pretty low. But it was still a great time with good friends. Incredibly refreshing on a hot summer day. From here we take in a little bit of hill climbing. Pretty amazing what these guys can do on these dirt bikes. And obviously we're all there just watching, waiting for the crashes. Cha-cha just about did there with that cup. Custard State Park.
Oh my God!
This lake alone's enough to get you to go. But the riding and the views through the park are even better. And as you wind down through the park, you come through the backside to all these tunnels, and eventually you can actually see Mount Rushmore out in the distance through the tunnels. It's pretty amazing. This ride creates nothing but smiles. Even when someone loses a seat. Deadwood. Beautiful little old mining town. Rich in history. Lots of famous people have died here. Great casinos and food. Lots of people watching and eye candy all over the place. Definitely not one you want to miss. Only 20 minutes from Sturgis. Next is Keystone, that's back over the Rushmore way. It's actually the closest little town to Rushmore. We stopped in here, had some pizza and beer. Got to visit, let our asses rest for a little while. Now back to the full throttle for some partying. Got to see a Kiss cover band. Got to see Jackal. Got to see quite a few exotics. And then we got to see Keith and April dance to Travis Trent. Made for a pretty good night. Having a little fun on our way over to shoot some real steel. Yeah, some trigger therapy.
Yay!
Grenade launchers, saws, 50 cal.
Lean into it, just like, there you go.
A little bit of repercussion there. Repercussion, concussion. The view from Friendship Tower. There's some good last night entertainment. Bunch of drunk bull riders.
How does that gay arm
Thanks for watching our video. Please remember to like and subscribe. If you want to know more about the MDP, just go to mdpcrew.com or visit our Facebook page, Modern Day Pirates. We are a very welcoming bunch. The more the merrier. Till next time.